Hi guys, today we talk about how to turn on ovulation on your flow app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do is to just go above this photo here in app, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on reminders here. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on ovulation here. So then you come to ovulation, click in this sign here. That like you said, it's color for us that's been ovulation stone on now. Then here can you choose remainder time, and here can you choose text of the remainder here. And it's going to add video here when you, so of course it's on now with ovulation video. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.